This is a $250 no deposit bonus, and I have been able to get mine. As you can see, I am already trading with it. Alright, in this video I will show you how you can get yours as well, and how you can also start trading with it, and also most importantly the terms and conditions for you to be able to withdraw from it. Alright, so this is for those of you that are going to watch this video to the very end. And as you can see, I have sectioned this video to everything you need to know, from how you can claim it to how you can start trading with it, and also the terms and conditions. As you can see, I can place trade on this particular bonus, and the trade is going to start running, as you can see showing on the screen right here. All right, so without any further ado, let's dive right into how you can get this particular bonus. All right, to get this bonus, just check the description of this video for the link to their platform. All right, so once you use the link in the description, it is going to direct you to somewhere like this, where you have to register an account with them. All right, and right here you just have to input your name and every single thing. All right, and you click on register right here. After registering, they are going to send you a verification mail to your email, just like the one I got right here, as you can see. So you just have to click on this link right here to confirm your email, and after clicking on it, they are going to confirm your email for you, and you can proceed to logging in into your account. All right, so right now my email has been verified already, and now I can proceed to signing into my account and proceed to getting this particular bonus. All right, so after logging to their platform, as you can see right here, this is their home page, this is their dashboard right here. And the next thing for you to do is to click on this menu button showing at the top left corner right here, and then you scroll down till you find something like bonuses right here. All right, bonuses. So just click on the all bonuses right here, and after clicking on that, as you can see, this is the no deposit bonus right here. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to select the account you want to get the bonus to. Once you create an account with them, they are going to automatically create a trading account with you. For you, just click on the no deposit bonus right here, and then you click on the I have read the terms and condition right here, and then you click on the get bonus. All right, so as you can see, bonus was received successfully. So to get more details about the bonus, just click on my bonuses right here, right click on that, and as you can see right here, this is the $250 bonus, and it is currently active. All right, so as you can see, this is more details about it. Now, to get your login details and every other thing you need to start trading with this particular bonus, just head over to your email. Your credentials would have been sent to you. All right, so let's head over to our email. As you can see right here, this is the email that contains our bonus has been activated, and this is our trading account details right here. All right, so this is it right here. This is my login details right here. I just have to copy it and start trading with my MT4. They have this particular platform on MT4, not MT5. All right, so for those of you that don't know how to log into your MT4, I will show you how you can do that very quickly. All right, but this is how you can actually get this particular bonus. All right, this is how you can get the $250 no deposit bonus and start trading with it, just like I showed in the beginning of the video that I've been able to get mine, and I was already trading with it. All right, and don't forget that I'll also be explaining the terms and conditions in the end of this video. But before talking about the terms and conditions, let's quickly log into our MT4 for those that don't know how to go about that. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to head over to MT4 app and click on the manage account right here. Right after clicking on that, then you click on the plus button and you click on the login to an existing account. Right here, you search for their broker, which is the Ola Trade. All right, search for it, which is the Ola Trade, and after searching for it, this is it right here. Now you have to input your login ID right here, and then your password right here. I'll head over to my email to copy the credentials, and after doing that, then you click on the sign in. So this is me after inputting mine. I'll just click on the sign in right here, and I'll wait for it to load. All right, so as you can see right here, this is it right here. This is the bonus right here, the $250 no deposit bonus, and right now I can start trading with it. All right, I can start trading with this right now. All right, as you can see showing on the screen. All right, so as you can see, the order has been successfully opened, and this is it right here. So this is how you can get this particular bonus. So talking about the terms and condition, I want you to know that this particular bonus is just for new users only. Alright, as you can see right here, these are the terms and conditions right here. bonus credited instantly after registration, $250, no deposit bonus for new users. All right, and it is available for all account types, no initial deposit required, valid on forex, metals and stock, 1 bonus per client. Profit may be withdrawable after the terms and condition. Standard terms and condition applied. All right, so these are the main terms and conditions right here for you to be able to withdraw from this particular bonus. All right, so go get yours now and start trading with this particular no deposit bonus. All right, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I think this is the best time for you to do that, because I'm always dropping updates, most especially on this my new channel. And also do well to join my Telegram channel. Use the link in the description, and I will see you in my Telegram channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.